Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo setting, and today video title is guys how to stop talkback mode in iqoo. Friends, you want to stop talkback mode in your iqoo. So friends, now let's see how to stop talkback mode one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So when by mistake you have enabled talkback, now friends you want to stop talkback. So friends, now let's see how to stop talkback in iqoo mobile. Use your two finger and you can scroll down and you can swipe up. And friends, your phone screen is off and you want to unlock your iqoo mobile when talkback is enabled. Use your two finger, you can unlock your phone, because if you use one finger you cannot swipe here, you cannot unlock iqoo mobile. Use your two finger, swipe here. Open your phone setting with double tap, continue, double tap, continue. Again use your two finger and scroll down. If you use one finger you cannot scroll down, you cannot use talkback setting in iqoo mobile. So friends, use your two finger and scroll down here. Open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting, one tap here, double tap, continue. After double tap friends, again scroll down here with two finger. Open your phone accessibility setting, double tap, continue. After double tap friends, click here talkback setting, double tap, continue again. Use talkback setting, one tap and double tap, continue. After double tap friends, you want to stop talkback in iqoo mobile. So friends, you can stop talkback, one tap here stop button and double tap. Then friends, your talkback will stop in your iqoo mobile. And friends, if you one tap, so friends you cannot stop talkback. Double tap, talkback will stop.
TalkBack off.
Now friends, you can use your iqoo mobile screen. You can scroll up, you can scroll down here, swipe up and scroll down, and you can use talkback. Oh, you can use your mobile without talkback. You can lock your screen and you can unlock your iqoo mobile with one finger. Swipe here, phone will unlock. Like that friends, you don't want to use talkback setting, you want to stop talkback in iqoo mobile. So friends, you can stop talkback in iqoo mobile. And again you want to on, so friends click here accessibility setting. Then friends click here talkback setting. You want to on talkback, again right click here, allow here talkback will on. And after turn friends, how to use talkback, use your two finger and you can use talkback setting. And you don't know about talkback, so friends you can check here how to use talkback and how to turn off talkback. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.